So this is a really good one. Today, let's talk a little bit about a magical little protein known as Botox. I know a lot of you are probably very interested in this product, but at the same time, you probably have a lot of concerns as well. So let me answer your questions and concern for you. Botox is actually the brand name of a product developed by Allergan, which is one of the largest pharmaceutical companies in the world. It's a naturally derived protein that's highly purified, and it's not really a toxin. The name can be, I'm not sure what was going on in the person's head who named that particular product, but it's essentially a modulator that acts between your nerve and your muscle to reduce or eliminate any unwanted muscle contraction. So there are actually several brands of product in the same family. There's Dysport, there's Xiomi, but for the simplicity of this video, we'll just refer to the whole family as Botox, since that's the name that most people know it as. So Botox was actually originally developed to treat diseases associated with unwanted or uncontrollable muscle contraction. So for example, it was administered to a cerebral palsy patient who had muscle spasm, or a condition known as cross eyes, where you can't really control the muscles in your eyes. Later, researchers realized that it can be applied to a variety of conditions, including sweaty armpits, migraines, TMJ disease, and perhaps what most people know it for your lines and wrinkles. Did you know that Botox is actually one of the most widely researched drugs in pharmaceutical history? If it's used for the right reason, administered by a trained professional, its safety profile is impeccable. So this is a really good one. Research has shown that Botox, when used to treat the frown lines in between your eyebrows, can actually make you feel happier. Okay, I know it sounds a little bit crazy, but think about it. Our facial expression actually produces a feedback loop on our emotion. So essentially, if you're smiling all the time, you'll just naturally feel happier. But the reverse is also true. If you're frowning all the time, your mood is probably not going to be very high. So now, by inhibiting those sad muscles, you'll end up feeling happier. And research has shown that the effect of Botox on your mood can be as effective as major antidepressant drugs out there. That's pretty crazy, hey? So a lot of people are actually not aware that as dentists, not only are we legally allowed, but we're highly qualified to administer Botox injections. And this is because our governing body, the Alberta Dental College and Association, has the most strict regulations surrounding this product. And also, when you think about it, who knows your head and neck anatomy better than dentists who went to schools 4 years and dealt with mostly just your head and neck? Primarily, we utilize this product on patients with parafunctional clenching and grinding habits to treat their TMJ disease, or to help with symptoms related to migraine or tension headache. But obviously, if those 11 lines are giving you a little bit of worry, we can take care of that as well. So when we administer Botox, we actually do it with very thin microfine needle, and it's administered in several sites on your head, depending on what condition is used to treat. Most people don't find injection painful at all. However, if you need a little bit of TLC, we always have things like an ice pack on hand to help with that, but it's definitely a lot easier than those dental injections that we give you. So if you have any questions or concern about your sore jaw, your TMJ issue, headaches from clenching and grinding, or just plainly your lines and wrinkles, please come on in, let us take a look, and we'll always be able to tailor the best treatment to your need.